I want to talk about standard care and maintenance for a PolarCool fan. We're standing next to our 36-inch PolarCool Pro, and really when you talk about a maintenance routine or a maintenance schedule, you can really break it down based on frequency. So for daily maintenance, or when you're using the fan, you want to make sure that you run the fan for about 15 minutes after you shut the pump off. That allows the pads to dry. For weekly maintenance, we want to flush the unit out. So we want to take low pressure, a garden hose, spray out the pads, spray out the reservoir, and get as many dust, debris, minerals that may have lodged themselves out of the unit. At the end of the year, or what we would consider our seasonal maintenance, would be to just inspect the pad for damage, inspect the unit for damage, make sure that all your plumbing fittings are connected well. And then before long-term storage, clean the fan up so that you don't have to spend any time the next season getting it ready. And in order to do that, one thing that we offer is a protective cover. So check out our selection of protective covers so that you can keep the unit clean during storage.